Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the first video from the Tech Tips YouTube channel. Hope all of you are supporting our channel. Today we are going to provide tips for speeding up your PC. So let's start. There are several ways to improve the speed of your personal computer. 1. Remove unnecessary programs. Uninstall programs that you no longer use or need. These programs can take up valuable disk space and system resources. 2. Clear temporary files. Use the disk cleanup tool to delete temporary files and system files that are no longer needed. This can free up disk space and improve system performance. 3. Defragment the hard drive. Use the disk defragmenter tool to organize the files on your hard drive. This can help improve system performance by reducing the amount of time it takes to access files. 4. Disable startup programs. Disable programs that automatically start when your computer boots up. This can help improve startup times and overall system performance. 5. Update your operating system and drivers. Keep your operating system and drivers up to date to ensure that your computer is running smoothly and efficiently. 6. Increase RAM. If your computer is running slowly, you may want to consider adding more RAM to your system. This can help improve system performance and speed. 7. Check for malware and viruses. Use an antivirus program to scan your computer for malware and viruses. These programs can slow down your computer and cause other issues. By implementing these tips, you should be able to improve the speed and performance of your personal computer. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then give a like and give your valuable opinion in the comment box. See you in the next video.